Hello everyone, welcome back to Dibya classes. So today in this class, we're going to study about a concept in array called searching. So what do you mean by search? Search means to find something you want. The thing is already existing. Maybe you have lost it or someone had told you to search the thing in a particular place. For example, so there is a big cupboard in your house and you are searching for your hat. So there are many clothes. The hat may be in some corner or something, you're not able to find it. So you're searching for this particular thing. That is called search. Searching means the process of finding the object or the thing is called searching. So here in array, you already know that array contains more than one values in a particular address. For example, address means we are talking about the variable. Maybe in the array A, there are many numbers and you want to find a particular number. Then this method of finding that particular number is known as searching. The process or the finding of a particular number is called searching. It doesn't has to be a number. It can be an integer number, it can be a real number, it can be a single character constant, it can be a string, and it can be a boolean. But we will not take boolean as an example because there are only two types of value, true and false. So what you will search? Okay. So generally we will be searching integer values, real values, single character values and string values. So I have already written the searching program for you. So now we will understand this program and how it is working. So this is the searching program. So here the question is, write a program to search an integer constant, in a given integer array. So the user has a big integer array. For example, it contains 5 integer numbers, random integer numbers. We don't know what are the numbers. Okay. And you want to search if 5 is present in that number. So there are 5 integer number. Let it be 7, 8, 2, 6 and 5. Okay. And you want to search if 5 is present. Yes. In this example, 5 is present. So if it is present, you will print search is successful and the location of the number. So here the location will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll print 5. Why will print 5? Because for Java it starts from 0. But for a normal person, this is the first location, this is the second location, this is the third location, this is the fourth location, this is the fifth location. Okay, understood? Clear? So here in this program, we are taking a parameter input for array. Here the user is going to enter few integer numbers. And in the variable s, he is going to enter the number to be searched. So here, for example, there are 10 numbers and he want to search if that particular number, whatever is in S he is inputting, if that particular number is present in the array A. Okay. So let us solve this by taking an example. So for example, in array A, the user took 7, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 9. Okay. There are 6 integer number. And in S, the user took, for example, 3. So the user is trying to find 3 in the given array. And we know that the answer will be true. Means search is successful. Why? Because 3 is present. If 3 is not present, it will print search is unsuccessful. So we found the length of the array. So here length is 6. Length means the number of elements present in that array. It is 6. Then we took a loop from 0 till less than L. Means I will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So now the value of I is 0. So A of 0. So what is present in A of 0? In A of 0, 7 is present. we are checking. Is 7 is equal to S? What is S? 3. 7 equal to 3, false. Because nothing is going to happen. Then I plus plus, I value will become 1. Then we'll check if A of 1 equal to 3. So what is present in A of 1? 2 is present. 2 equal to 3, false. So nothing is going to happen. Then I plus plus, I value will become 2. Then A of 2. What is A of 2? 3. Is 3 equal to 3? True. So what will happen? L1 equal to I plus 1. L1 equal to I. What is I? 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And in F becomes 1. Previously F was 0. Now F is 1. So what is F? F is called flag check. F is called flag check. Means this tells that if we found a match, it became true. That means that number is present. So F equal to 1 will tell that the number we are searching is present. If F becomes 0 or F remains 0, then we can say that the number is not present. Then I value will increase and it will become 3. 5 equal to 3, false. Then I value will become 4, that is 8. 8 equal to 3, false. Then I value will become 5, that is 9 equal to 3, false. All the 3 cases will become false. So finally it will check if F equal to 1. Yes, F is equal to 1. Therefore we will print search is successful. So now we will print search is successful. And its location. Location is L1. What is L1? 3. So search is successful and its location, that is location of the number 3, is present in the third location. Location is 3. Third location of the array. What if the user enters 13? What if the user enters 13? So first I value will become 0. It will check 7 equal to 13. It will become false. 2 equal to 13. It will become false. 3 equal to 13, false. 5 equal to 13, false. 8 equal to 13, false. 9 equal to 13, false. The whole array will be searched and everything will become false. So F value will remain 0 only because this is not getting executed. So F value will not become 1. So what will happen here? It will become false. F equal to 1, false, because F is 0. 0 equal to 1, false. False means it will go to else block and it will print search unsuccessful. So if the number is present, it is search successful. If number is not present, it is search unsuccessful. Let us run this program and check if we are getting the same answer. So the array is 7, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. Let us search if 3 is present. Search successful, its location is 3. Now this time let us take 13, which is not present in this array. It is printing search unsuccessful. Understood? So searching is a very important program. There is a high chance that you will get this program in your board exam. So this program was an example of searching for integer numbers. The same can be done for real numbers. Real numbers means instead of int, this will become double. And you will search for a real number and everything else will remain same. So if you write double, you can enter real numbers. What about characters? Okay, instead of double, you will write char. You don't have to change anything else. Even in char, you can check by using double equal to. What if it is string? What if it is string? In this case, you cannot use double equal to. Here you have to use equals function. So let us check by using equals function. So remember, for string, instead of double equal to, you have to write equals function. Let us take ABC, DEF, GHJ. Let us check if DEF is present. So you are getting the answer. Such successful location is 2. That is the second location. Let us take XYZ, which is not present in the array. We are getting search unsuccessful. So remember, for integer, real and character, the program is same. That is, you have to use double equal to check here. In case of string, if you are searching a string in a string array, then here you have to use equals function. Rest everything will remain as it is. Okay, understood? It is very easy. Searching is very easy, and this type of searching, what we did now, is known as linear search. There are many other types of search in Java, but this type of searching method is known as linear search method. This is called a linear search method. There are many other searching methods which we will be doing in future classes. So remember, while doing linear search, the program will remain same. For integer, real and character, you have to check by using double equal to. For string, you have to use equals function. Instead of equals, you can also use equals ignore case. Equals ignore case. In case you don't want to differentiate between the small letters and capital letters. For string, you can use equals or equals ignore case. So now we'll solve another program which I gave you as an assignment. The program was to write a program to input integer elements of size 20. Means there are 20 integer values and you have to find the largest number, the smallest number and the sum of all the elements in that array. So I had already given you the answer in form of PDF. Now we are just going to discuss it. So this is the program which I have already shared with you. So we did this program using scanner class. Therefore you have written the input line, the throws line, and you have also written the scanner line. And using the for loop, we have taken 20 integer numbers. This is the input part. We have taken 20 integer number. So now we'll see how we have solved this. So you have taken variables L to store the largest number, S to store the smallest number, and sum to add all the elements of the array. So here you can see in L I have stored A of 0 and in S also I have stored A of 0. That is the first element. Because we don't know what are these 20 numbers. It can be negative numbers, it can be positive numbers. Okay, we don't know what will be the largest and what will be the smallest. So what I did, we have taken the first element. Means we have assumed that the first element of the array is the largest and also the first element of the array is the smallest. So this method is going to work for negative numbers, for positive numbers and any types of numbers. It can be either integer and real also. If it is real, instead of taking 20 integer elements, you have to take 20 real elements. Okay. So now we are taking a loop from 0 to 19 and in the sum we are adding all the numbers, and in this if, in the first if we are checking for the largest one and in the second if we are checking for the smallest one. Let us take an example of 5 elements. Here there are 20 but let us take 5 elements. Assume that this program is to enter 5 elements and solve it. Okay. So let us take 5 elements and solve this program. And the element speed -2, 3, 10, -1 and 0. So by seeing you can say that the largest is 10 and the smallest is -2. So this should be your answer. And the sum will be 10 because -2 -1 is -3, -3 plus 3 cancel. This is 0 and remaining is 10. So sum will be 10.0 because it is in double. So first what we did, in L and S we stored A of 0. So in L we have -2 and S we have -2. Assuming that -2 is the largest and also -2 is the smallest. So now I is 0, sum equal to sum of A of 0. So in sum we have -2 now. And now we are checking, in -2 greater than -2, false. Is -2 less than -2, false. So next, I plus plus. I value will become 1. What is present in A of 1? 3 is present. So 3 will be added. So the new sum is 1.0 because it is double. Then we'll check, is 3 greater than -2? True. So the largest number is A of 1. What is A of 1? It is 3. So our new largest is 3. Then 3 less than minus 2, false. So nothing is going to happen. Then I plus plus, I becomes 2. What is present in A of 2? 10. So we'll add 10 here. It will become 11. So 10 greater than 3, true. So this will become 10. 10 less than minus 2, false. Nothing is going to happen. Next, I plus plus. This will become 3. And this time we have minus 1. This will become 10. Minus 1 greater than 10, false. Minus 1 less than minus 2, false. Nothing is going to happen. Then I plus plus, this becomes 4. The last value, that is 0. 10 plus 0 is 10. 0 greater than 10, false. 0 less than minus 2, false. Again, nothing is going to happen. So now we have 5 elements. So this is for 5 elements. So this loop will get over. And next, it will print the largest number, which is 10. The smallest number, which is minus 2. And the sum, which is 10.0. Understood how this program is working? So in all types of program where you have to find the largest or smallest or the maximum or minimum, it is better to store the first element of the array, so that even if there is negative numbers, positive numbers, it doesn't matter. Your program will work for all types of integer or real values. Okay, so it is advisable to store the first element of the array and solve. Whenever it is a case of find the maximum and minimum number in a given array, or find the smallest or largest number in a given array, then you have to use this program method. So today we will be solving these two programs. In the next class we will be solving more program based on arrays. Now I will take a leave from you. Have a nice day. Thank you.